Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to enable offline mode UPI soft connect. Don't waste our time. Let's go with the solution. Simply few methods try to how to easily enable the offline mode in UPI Connect app. Okay, let's go with the solution. Then solution one about run as UPI soft admin. So you can go to the desktop, then right click on the UPI soft, or you search the UPI soft connect and right click on the UPI connect, and here you can click on the open file location. Then again right click to select the open file location. Here right click on it. Then select the properties. Then you can go to click on the calculate tab. You should select the run this program calculating mode. Then hit the apply and OK to save. Then close it. Then after that come to back. Then we can proceed the next solution. Then next solution local UPI soft optimize or update from local app data. So we need local app data. So press the Windows button plus X button, then select the run, then run box type percentage local app data percentage, hit the OK, and it file. Meanwhile, open the file explorer. Then here scroll down. Here you can go to find UPI soft connect. Locate the your UPI soft connect folder. So scroll down. The UPI soft game launcher tab have to open. Here you can go to find settings file, just right click and click to open button. Then here press the Windows button plus here press the Control plus F, then search offline, hit the enter. Then here you can go to find offline list or sentence. If you found, just you can go to change the false instead of true. If you did, then hit the photo, click on the files and select the save to. You are away from the that file. After that you can go to open the relaunch the your UPI soft, then your problem should be solved. And if you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you, and don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel.